Welcome to Island Rhyme.
Hi! Welcome! Come learn with me.
Today, we're learning fruit names in English and Jamaican Patois. Mango. Mango. The next fruit is pineapple. Pineapple. The next fruit is orange. Orange. Fruit so yummy! Now, let's learn the names in Patois. Mango. In Patois, we say mango. Pine. Say pine. Are you ready for the next fruit?
Yay!
Okay, the next fruit is orange. Say orange. Let's count from 1 to 10. Are you ready to count? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What good! And don't forget to join me again next time.